Hi, I'm Mike Fine, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Introduction to Synthesis activity. So I've created a new AudioTool project, and I'm going to go to my synthesizer area, and I'm going to drag this guy in. This is, oops, sorry, let's try that one more time. It's a very weird name. It's called the pulverisateur, and it's going to be used for our basic synthesis. When I bring that in, it creates a note track. Remember, if it didn't, for some reason, you can always right click and you can, oops, let's try that again, and do a create note track. Okay, but it should make it automatically. Then I'm going to double click right here. That makes me a note region, and I'm going to double click the note region, and it should bring up the piano roll. I had some trouble when I first started using AudioTool where I was double clicking and this wouldn't open up. I just quit out of Chrome and went back in. So if you ever have trouble where that's not opening up, that would be the first thing I would try. I'm going to zoom this in a little bit so I see my first measure. And on the left hand side is the piano roll. So these are all the keys on a piano. You can scroll up and down using this scroll bar here. You'll also note that there's a scroll bar on the right hand side. Okay, and you could even make this larger by dragging this up to reveal a little bit more of the timeline, which is the thing in the bottom. So I'm going to scroll down until I can find note C4, and now you'll notice it produces a pitch. If I double click right in here, I can produce that pitch, and then I can go to the edge and I can drag it out. Right. Okay, and now it's going to stop. But I want to try out the different sounds, so I want this note to keep repeating. So to make that repeat, I go to the red region at the top, pinkish red region. I'm going to right click or control click, and I'm going to say loop regions. And you'll notice that the loop turns on, and the loop boundaries are from bar 1 to the end of bar 1, which is the start of bar 2. And when I hit spacebar or play, it's just going to keep playing that pitch over and over. Right, so at this point, I'm ready to drag this down, and I can begin playing with some of these dials. Now you'll notice as I drug that down, it disappeared. You can always go over here to bring up your various windows. So this guy right here brings up the main window plus your timeline.